up, YouTube? I want to make a quick little video. I should have started this earlier, but on a different style of brake jobs. This is the like 4707, 4715 style. It's got two pins that the shoe rolls on, instead of the last video I did where I showed you that it just has one pin that is fixed to the spindle or whatever. Well, not the spindle, the hub housing, I guess is what you call it. I don't know. This is the hub. Hell, I don't know. Anyway, there's these bushings in here that I have a special tool for my air hammer. I mean, you really don't have to change these, but I do them anyway. I mean, it comes with a kit, might as well change them. There's two different sizes of these, but it's perfect for those bushings. You just put your air hammer in there and drive them out, because they are frozen. You'll have to cut them out with a torch if you don't have that tool. But yep, that's that. And I was going to show you a quick little my Snap-on tool haul from yesterday. Snap-on Thursday. See if I get a 1/4-inch drive, longer Phillips for my doing dash work and whatnot with that. What else did I get? Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. How about the non-wiring pick set? I haven't used them yet, but I just got them this one. They're pretty neat. The plastic is really hard for what they are. They're not cheap. And they actually are made USA for something plastic. That's pretty cool. But focus maybe. But yeah, they are hard. I mean, hard plastic. Sharp too. Ooh, heck yeah. But and then I got, picked up the mini precision Torx. Well, not really precision, but the small style. Something goes from an 8. Yeah. T8. I'll put them back later. 10, probably 15 and 20, I'm assuming. 15 and, yep, 20. But, yep, I've got my case for the power probe coming. I ordered the Bluetooth speaker, the 14.4 big light, and another 1/4-inch drive Phillips. And then, yeah, I bought a Deep 11/16 to complete the U set that I found on the truck. This is still not going, but, yep. Well, thanks for watching.